Welcome to another video in the Gilman Pre-Departure series on budgeting abroad. In this video, we will provide you with additional tips on how to save money abroad and to keep to your budget. When budgeting, you will most likely spend a bulk of your money on fun items like food, travel, and entertainment. While none of these have to be too expensive, they can be depending on how you live while abroad. Some general tips that we wanted to share with you is that when being overseas in a new country, it can quickly translate into spending money on more items that you want versus what you need. You always want to take care of your needs first. So when you're given a choice about eating out versus eating in, use your budget outline to note that if you eat out a lot, you might not have enough money remaining for that class excursion coming up. Ask your program if they have a sample worksheet or budget, or use the one that's available in your Gilman Pre-Departure Toolkit or on the Gilman website. Some other free online budgeting platforms that are out there that you should really check out are Mint and You Need a Budget. Pay attention to local exchange rates and the cost of living. What you budgeted for food may not go as far as you think if the exchange rate is constantly changing. Remember to ask people, talk to your study abroad office or your program about getting in touch with alums on campus who have studied abroad on your same program or in the same country. Ask how they budgeted their money. Think about your spending habits in the US and be honest with your spending habits when thinking about going abroad. It's good to do some self-reflection on what kind of spender you are and what's important to you. Some additional ways to save money while abroad is to look into student discounts. When in doubt, it never hurts to ask if a student discount exists. Use free communication tools. Also, try to use public transportation or walk whenever possible, but remember to use safe traveling habits. When booking travel, use discount websites like Google Flights and Skyscanner. Also, many cities offer a lot of free activities that you can take advantage of, such as festivals and other community events. And finally, monitor how you spend money at social events. Set budgets for yourself and make sure that you're spreading out your spending across the entirety of your program. Thank you for joining in on another one of our videos in our pre-departure series. Don't forget to check out our other budgeting abroad videos and other videos in the pre-departure series.